All right, well, the mayor's former bodyguard says he is not guilty. Jeffrey Vappy making the plea in his first court appearance since being indicted, accused of 8 crimes.
WDSU reporter Elizabeth Kubel was in the federal courtroom where Vappy's attorneys also spent a chunk of the time talking about the mayor. Elizabeth?
Exactly right, Sella. They were going back and forth about what level of contact Jeffrey Vappy could have with the mayor, ultimately deciding they can speak, but not about this case. Are you all satisfied with what happened in court today?
Well, we can't comment on anything in the course of the proceedings.
Jeffrey Vappy's attorneys flanked the former NOPD officer as they walk out of federal court, where Jeffrey Vappy pleaded not guilty to allegations he falsified his NOPD time card and allegedly lied to the FBI about a romantic relationship with the mayor.
It's a bit disquieting that with all the violent crime that is going on and plaguing our communities, that the federal government has depleted its resources in trying to develop a very strained theory that there was some type of inappropriate conduct by Officer Vappy.
When setting Vappy's bond, prosecutors advocated for no contact with a list of witnesses or potential witnesses, including the mayor. Vappy's attorneys argued he would like to speak with Mayor Cantrell, saying she is his friend and the restriction wasn't warranted. The judge ultimately issued limited contact, meaning he and the mayor can still communicate, just not about the case at all. Vappy must also surrender his passport and limit travel to our area and the Baton Rouge area.
Mr. Vappy is anxious to clear his name. He's anxious to prove his innocence, and he is anxious to respond to the accusations that have been made against him.
And Vappy will be back in court for a pre-trial conference in September and a trial which has been set for October. Reporting live at federal court, I'm Elizabeth Kubel, WDSU News.
Another bombshell